In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize GoHighLevel Calendar, GoHighLevel Calendar CSS. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the styling options and how to add custom CSS so your booking widget looks and feels on brand. Start on your GoHighLevel dashboard. First, open Calendars. This takes you to the area where all your booking calendars live. From there, go to Calendar Settings to manage how those calendars behave and appear. If you have several calendars, locate the one you want to update, then click the pencil icon to edit it. That opens the editor for that specific calendar, which is where the customization happens. Inside the editor, look for Advanced Settings. Depending on your layout, you may see an advanced option in the sidebar and then another advanced section within the editor. If you encounter both, simply open them in order to reveal all available options. Next, navigate to Widget Appearance. This section controls the look and feel of the booking widget, including elements like colors, buttons, and typography, and it's also where you'll add your custom code. Scroll down until you find Insert Custom Code. This is the safe place to add CSS that will style the calendar widget without changing other parts of your site. Prepare the CSS you plan to use ahead of time and keep it focused. Target only the elements you want to change, such as buttons, headers, or date highlights, and avoid overly broad selectors that could affect unrelated components. If the field expects CSS only, paste pure CSS. If it allows HTML head content, you can include your CSS within style tags. When in doubt, check any note or placeholder text in the field. Paste your code carefully. A good habit is to add brief comments at the top describing what the snippet does, and to keep a copy of your CSS in a separate document so you can revert or iterate later. Small, incremental changes are best. They make it easier to spot what worked and what didn't. When you're satisfied, click Save Changes. After saving, open your booking widget or preview the calendar to confirm the styles are applied. If you don't see updates immediately, refresh the page or check in a private window to bypass cached styles. If something doesn't look right, return to the Insert Custom Code area, remove or adjust the last change, and save again. That's it. You've located the calendar editor, opened advanced settings, navigated to widget appearance, added your custom CSS in the Insert Custom Code box, and saved your work. With a few targeted rules, your GoHighLevel calendar can now match your brand's style and provide a polished booking experience.